Are you ready to learn 5 new English words? This week's topic is consult and act, and there'll be a quiz at the end to test you on the words. So let's go. Consult. Consult. It's a verb that means to ask someone for advice or information. Here's an example. Consult you on work-life balance. Consult you on work-life balance. Can I consult you on work-life balance? Can I consult you on work-life balance? I'm swamped. Can I consult you on work-life balance? Sure. Just consult me before you burn the kitchen again. Let's review. Say this out loud. Consult. Consult. Say this out loud. Consult you on work-life balance. Consult you on work-life balance. Say this out loud. Can I consult you on work-life balance? Can I consult you on work-life balance? Verify. Verify. It's a verb that means to check if something is true or correct. Here's an example. Verify the trail conditions. Verify the trail conditions. Can you verify the trail conditions? Can you verify the trail conditions? That storm was brutal. Can you verify the trail conditions? Sure. I'll check the logs and ensure the permits are valid. Let's review. Say this out loud. Verify. Verify. Say this out loud. Verify the trail conditions. Verify the trail conditions. Say this out loud. Can you verify the trail conditions? Can you verify the trail conditions? Resign. Resign. It's a verb that means to leave a job or position by telling your employer you are quitting. Here's an example. Resign from the restaurant. Resign from the restaurant. I've decided to resign from the restaurant to travel. I've decided to resign from the restaurant to travel. I've decided to resign from the restaurant to travel and test new recipes. You want to resign with no plan? That sounds risky. Let's review. Say this out loud. Resign. Resign. Say this out loud. Resign from the restaurant. Resign from the restaurant. Say this out loud. I've decided to resign from the restaurant to travel. I've decided to resign from the restaurant to travel. Implement. Implement. It's a verb that means to start using a plan or idea to make something happen. Here's an example. Implement a weekly menu. Implement a weekly menu. I'll implement a weekly menu of spices. I'll implement a weekly menu of spices. I'll implement a weekly menu of exotic spices. Nice move, but we need a bold marketing plan now or it'll go unnoticed. Let's review. Say this out loud. Implement. Implement. Say this out loud. Implement a weekly menu. Implement a weekly menu. Say this out loud. I'll implement a weekly menu of spices. I'll implement a weekly menu of spices. Allocate. Allocate. It's a verb that means to give out or set aside something, like time or money, for a specific purpose or task. Here's an example. Allocate 2 extra hours. Allocate 2 extra hours. Let's allocate 2 extra hours for proposal reviews. Let's allocate 2 extra hours for proposal reviews. Let's allocate 2 extra hours next week for proposal reviews. Allocate funds again? What will we have to cut this time? Let's review. Say this out loud. Allocate. Allocate. Say this out loud. Allocate 2 extra hours. Allocate 2 extra hours. Say this out loud. Let's allocate 2 extra hours for proposal reviews. Let's allocate 2 extra hours for proposal reviews. It's quiz time. Let's see how well you remember the words from the last 5 lessons. Ready?
Consult. Verify. Resign.
Implement.
Allocate.
Great job! Follow English Class 101 for more English lessons.